It is 3:15, January 2nd, 2015. Pretty much woke up midnight. Been up for quite a while, and started hearing this loud rumble outside. And now it came to a loud hum. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it. And then it's been probably about an hour. I've been hearing this noise. I mean, I did a lot of research on this probably like about a year ago, but kind of got off task. And a lot of people say it's part of the HAARP. I'm not sure if you guys know about that. People say it can be used for many reasons, like weather control or some shit like that the government has. Yeah, it sounds like a helicopter from far distance, or multiple trucks on the highway from far distance. It's been going on for about an hour and a half. Some weird shit, man. And the skies are clear. There's like no helicopters, no airplanes, no nothing. You got this loud ass noise out here. I wonder if anybody else hear it, but it ain't me. Shit. Alright, guys.